Winter cleaning tips for inside the home. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Everyone always does spring cleaning, but winter cleaning is just as important. It's time to put away all of the outdoor sports gear and get ready for the cold weather, and plenty of time sitting inside cuddling by the fireplace. Getting your home clean and in tip-top shape before the cold really settles in will make you enjoy your living space that much more. Plus, it will make the Christmas much easier to prepare for. No worries about a filthy dishwasher that guests will see if you've given it a good scrubbing well beforehand. So let's get down to work. Here's what you need to clean up inside the home. Start in the kitchen. It's the heart of the home. When you have guests over, everyone congregates in the kitchen, so you want it to be spotless and company ready. Start with the refrigerator. Give it a good scrubbing. Take out the drawers and wash them. Get the door gasket too. Lots of stuff can accumulate there that you don't even notice. Check those condiments while you have everything out to make sure nothing is past its date. You don't want to inadvertently get someone sick with an expired food item in your fridge. Get out the vacuum and clean out the coils on the back and bottom of the refrigerator. This will keep the refrigerator running efficiently. Clean the stove. Give it a good, thorough cleaning. Self-clean if you have that option on your stove. If not, then you'll be doing it the old-fashioned way with Easy Off and some good old elbow grease. Get the stovetop and clean the drip pans real good. Also spend some time on the range hood. Get all of that grease cleaned up to prevent a fire. Pull the stove out and clean up those dust bunnies and the grime that accumulates on and behind the stove. Dishwasher. We know it says wash right in the name, so why would you need to clean it? Well, think of all that food it has been cleaning off your plates. There is going to be particle buildup, so a little baking soda and a damp sponge will take care of that buildup and deodorize as well. Clean and organize the garage. After spending all summer on the go, things have probably been getting dropped right in the garage. Plus, all of the summer toys are out and it's time to put that stuff away and get the winter toys out. You will want to get all of the items organized with your gardening tools in one area, toys in another, separated by season, and anything else you have been storing in the garage. Utilize your wall space by putting up shelves or hooks to hang things on. Bikes can be put up off the ground. You will want to keep hazardous materials either locked up in a cabinet or up on a shelf so no children get into them. Clean up all of those outdoor gardening tools before you store them. Get the lawnmower drained of fuel and stored. Having a clean, organized garage will make it safe and keep your items in good shape. Not to mention easy to find when you need them. Keep pollen and bugs at bay. Since we're getting prepared to be closed up tight inside the house, this gives a lot of chance for pollen and bugs to collect. So now is the time to make sure everything is as clean as it can be. Bedding. Get all of the bedding washed in very hot water. This kills dust mites and other bugs that could be living in it. Keep washing the bedding throughout the season. This should be done once a week. Carpet, shampoo the carpets and vacuum them real good. This is best done with a fresh vacuum bag in the vacuum. Drapes and blinds. Put drapes in the washing machine on a very hot water wash. Blinds can be wiped down with a mild soap and water. Pets. Give your pets a bath to reduce allergens. Bathroom. Now is the time to get those surfaces that accumulate water clean. Sort out the shower and counters with a mold-busting cleaner. Now that you have your house clean, you can enjoy the winter, and hopefully with as little illness as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more home cleaning content.